Every season you get a new product line from your brand, and every season a buyer asks you to send them something they can actually look at. Let's load a line into Territory Track and turn it into a shareable line sheet. Start on the product catalog. This account is empty, so there is nothing to work with yet. The line came through as a spreadsheet, which is exactly what we want. Up in the header, click Import Products. Territory Track takes a CSV or a JSON file, and it matches on SKU, so when the brand sends you a revised price list later in the season, re-importing updates what is already there instead of creating a second copy of everything. Drop the file in. This is the Cedar and Fox spring line, 16 styles with SKUs, wholesale and retail pricing, minimum orders, case packs, size ranges, colors, and image links. You can leave the brand on auto-detect because the file already has a brand column. Click Import. There it is. 16 products created, and the catalog fills in behind the modal. Every column came across. The SKU, the brand, the category, wholesale, retail, and the minimum order. Nothing was typed by hand. Now you can work the line. Search filters by name, SKU, or description, so when a buyer asks about the canvas jacket, you have it in a second. And everything you just imported becomes the source that your line sheets read from. Here is what makes this worth doing. Switch to the Line Sheets tab and click Create Line Sheet. Give it a title the buyer will recognize, like Cedar and Fox Spring 2026, and a subtitle. Pick a layout. Grid gives you image cards, which is what most apparel and gift buyers expect. There is also a classic list, a boutique layout, and an editorial one. Add your logo, set an accent color, filter to a single brand, and set an expiration date so old pricing does not stay live forever. Then decide what the buyer actually sees. Show wholesale prices, show retail, show minimum orders. Turn any of them off. If you are sending this to a retailer who should not see your retail math, switch it off and it is gone from their view. You can also let customers order directly from the link, which turns the line sheet into a self-serve order form. Hit Create, and you get a link. Copy it and send it however you talk to that buyer. They open it in a browser with no login and no account, and they see a clean, branded storefront of your line with the exact columns you allowed. You can see how many times each sheet has been viewed. And because it reads from your live catalog, when the brand changes a price, you re-import, and every line sheet you have already sent updates itself. That is a spreadsheet to a shareable line sheet in about 2 minutes.